We knew we needed a new storyline with a new direction, with a new direction, with a new direction. First phase is resurrection, running from 2020 to 2023. It will be clearly about cost reduction, margin and cash generation. It will be moving our focus from volume to value. To the upgrade and automatization of our plants in the last decade will allow us to have a lean and high-performance operational system on the industrial side. So this modernized, lean organization will allow us to reduce by a whole year our car development time from concept freeze to start of production. Second phase, called Renovation, spanning from 2023 to 2025. This is when we will benefit from a completely new and revamped lineup, electric and electrified, centered on larger profit pools and allowing us to finally leverage a portfolio of strong and differentiated brands. Dacia will stay Dacia. The Renault brand will embody modernity. Alpine to become our tool to play automotive avant-garde. Mobilize goes beyond, into the field of data, mobility and energy services. And then third phase is Revolution. From 2025 onwards, traditional OEMs will have to jump on the value chain of new mobility. We will be able to develop profitable EVs at the price of combustion engine-powered models. By enlarging and converting one of our plants into the biggest EV factory in Europe, we'll also offer market-ready, end-to-end hydrogen solutions for LCVs. We are engaging in the future, playing the leader's game when it comes to energy transition. We have a clear advantage when it comes to second life and end of life of batteries. But we will do it in the Renault way, meaning in the full respect of the expectation from the different stakeholders, especially our workforces. I would like to take the chance to underline that this plan is not just a wish list. It is the sum of actions we have already decided and organized, putting the company in a better shape it's never been before.